my goodness gracious, I'm here bored. It's me, Luigi. If you don't know, Woman, I probably look very familiar to you guys. Really bored. Oh, go check it out. There's something probably for me to do. Probably. Yippee! Oh, let me do my jumping thing. Right? Let's go. Wait, I'm kind of sleepy. Okay, I'm going. Oh my goodness gracious! You're taking a big poop. Poopy, it's a poopy. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh no, I hope Luigi comes out and I have to wipe my booty. He's probably never gonna come. Okay. Now I'm gonna turn on the light. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm gonna knock on it. Okay, here I go. Where is it? It's me and Luigi. Open the door. What the hell's opening? He locked it. Okay, open it. Oh goodness gracious. Goomba, what do you want? Oh my goodness. The door is stuck. Oh, okay. Finally, what do you want? I'm taking the big poopy. I'm taking the big poopy. Can you want me? That's what you wanted me for? Really? We're poopy. Oh goodness. Well, really, I just wanted to get attention. What? Oh my goodness! You're out of the toilet! This is very bad. Okay. You're out of the toilet! And you really do stink. Well, my problem is finished. I just wanted some attention. Nope, I'm not giving you any attention. I'm leaving. No. This is bad. This is really bad. I don't want to do this. No. No, Luigi, please. You squish. I'm squished. Too bad. I'm not giving you any attention. Well, guys, that's for nothing. I'm back to being bored. See you in the next episode. I don't know what it is. It'll be random. Well, okay. See you next time. Bye.